Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to bake an eggless vanilla sponge cake. For this cake recipe, you do not need condensed milk, milk powder, and this can be ready without an oven. So we are going to bake this cake in a kadhai. So let's get started.
So for this we need 3/4 cup of fresh curd, half cup of granulated sugar. We will mix this for around 2 minutes so that the sugar gets 50% melted. Then we will add half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now mix it well so that the sugar gets melted completely. During this process of mixing, you can notice some bubbles on top of this mixture. It means baking powder and baking soda has activated. Now we will let it rest for 10 minutes. For the time when it is resting, we can preheat our kadhai. This I have taken a flat deep kadhai. To that I am adding some salt. This salt I have used many times, so its color is like this. You can reuse this salt as many times you want. Upon that I have kept one stand and then we will close the lid. Keep this in low flame. After 10 minutes you can see some bubbles on the top of this mixture. We will mix it again for around 30 seconds. Now we will add 1/4 and 2 tablespoons of oil and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence into it.
We will mix it for another 2 to 3 minutes.
Now we will sieve 1 cup of maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour mixture into it.
Do not forget to sieve this maida and corn flour mixture. This step is very necessary to bake a cake.
After adding maida and corn flour, we will mix this very well.
We will mix it to make a smooth batter. There should not be any kind of lumps into it. Consistency of this batter should be like this. Now we will take a round cake baking tin and we will grease it with some oil and we will sprinkle some flour into it. Sprinkling of dry flour will help the cake to come out very easily. The tin should be coated very nicely. We will also keep one round cutted white sheet or butter paper. Now we will pour the batter in this cake tin. Tap this for 2 to 3 times so that there should be no bubbles in it. It's time to bake, so we'll keep this into the preheated kadhai. Close the lid and let it bake for around 40 minutes in low flame. Our cake is baked. To check the cake, we need to insert a knife. If the knife comes clean, means it is baked completely. Now we will keep it for around half an hour to cool down completely. You can have this cake as it is or you can also decorate with a whipping cream. After 30 minutes, now it's time to take out the cake from the tin. So for that, we will take one plate and we will flip over this onto the plate. See how easily it came out. See, our cake is so soft. Not pressing it so much because it is very delicate and it can break. Now we will slowly take out the paper from the cake. So today I am going to decorate this cake with the whipping cream. For that I will cut this into 2 halves. Slowly cut the cake with a sharp knife. Now I will whip a cream. For that I have taken 1 cup of whipping cream. Now with the help of double beater, we will beat this cream in high speed for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of beating, we will add in it half cup of cold milk. Beat this cream again till it is whipped completely. So our cream is whipped completely, and to check it, you need to flip it over. And if the cream does not flow down, that means our cream is whipped completely and it's ready to be on the cake. Here I have divided the cream into 2 equal parts. To one part I am adding orange food color. To the orange colored cream I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange crush to give it a good orange flavor. You can add in it orange jam or orange marmalade also, whichever is available with you. To decorate a cake, firstly we need to make a sugar syrup. For that I have taken 1 cup of water to which I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let the sugar melt completely to form a thin syrup. Now I have taken one square cake base to which I am applying little bit of whipped cream. Keep one layer of cake onto this. Now I will pour some sugar syrup into it. I have filled the sugar syrup which we have prepared into a small bottle. It is very easy to pour like this. If you don't have a bottle, you can simply use a spoon. Now I will spread some orange color cream onto it. Make it firm and smooth with the help of a spatula. Now keep one more layer of sponge cake. Once more pour the sugar syrup and repeat the process. Repeat the whole process of spreading the cream the same way we have done before. The topmost layer of the cake will be covered by white colored whipped cream. Spread the cream evenly on the whole sides of the cake. Make the cream smooth on all the sides. Spread some more orange cream to give it a good shade. Decorate the cake the way you want. I have decorated here with some fresh oranges and orange rind and some white chocolates. So friends, this new year make this cake for your near and dear ones and enjoy. Wish you all a very happy new year. If you like this video, click onto the like button, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press onto the bell icon to get a quick notification.